Hello, welcome to Bambatha Kamancinza TV. I'm here to update you ngokuzokwenzeka next week ku-Smoke and Mirrors kusukela ngoMsombuluko mhla ka-26 May kuya ngolesihlanu mhla ka-30 May 2025. Okay, ngoMsombuluko, Jackson rejects Sakila's offer as he has a more permanent solution. Uthandiswa confronts Jackson about the attack on Pendulo, but he make her look mentally unstable. NgoLwesibili mhla ka-27 May 2025, uZolethu meet with the convicts to get him to protect Pendulo, only to realize he's the same man who was hired to kill Pendulo. Sparkly and the gangs hit the jackpot. NgoLwesithathu mhla ka-28 May 2025, uZolethu fails to secure protection for Pendulo, while Mamiki plans a heartfelt send-off her Sparkly and to celebrate Tim and Sipho's success with an intimate gathering. NgoLwesine mhla ka-29 May 2025, uPhilile fight to keep her marriage intact as Lulu close her way back into Madla's life. Sakhile makes plans to protect his son, with Tim and Sipho blow it all VIP style. NgoLwesihlanu mhla ka-30 May 2025, uPetunia is worried when Sakhile reveals his plan to break Pendulo out of police captivity. uPhilile catches Lulu snooping in their bedroom, but Lulu lies about what she was doing. Ngiyayibamba lana ungakhohlwa ukucindezela notification bell nokusubscribe nokusho umbono wakho. Bye.